If you're seeing an Ads.txt status not found error on Blogger, it means that your Ads.txt file, which is required for ad networks like Google AdSense and others, isn't properly placed or recognized. Here's how to fix the issue. Create or download the Ads.txt file. Go to your Ads.txt file, which contains the required text provided by your ad network. You can find the file by logging into your ad network account and copying the provided entries. The file typically looks like this. If you don't have one, create a new text file called Ads.txt and add the ad network details. Upload the Ads.txt file to Blogger. Log into your Blogger account and go to your blog's dashboard. Navigate to Settings, Search Preferences. Under Monetization, click Enable next to Ads.txt. Paste the contents of your Ads.txt file into the box provided. Save the changes. Verify Ads.txt status. After editing the file, it may take a few hours or up to 48 hours for the changes to take effect. Check again in your ad network's dashboard to ensure the Ads.txt status is marked as found.